Okay, dear friends, welcome to Royal Palace PU College online classes. Dear friends, in the previous class we had seen about the application of the determinants, that is how to find the area of the triangle. Okay, and also we had seen about lot of examples related to that particular topic. Okay, now in this class, in this session, we shall see about the one more important topic, that is finding the minor and the cofactor. Okay, finding the minor and the cofactor of the determinant. Okay, let us first of all see the definition of this minor. What do you mean by minor? Minor of an element Aij. Okay, Aij is an element of the determinant over there. Of a determinant is the determinant obtained by deleting its ith row and jth column in which Aij lies. In which Aij lies. Minor of Aij is denoted by capital letter Mij. I will just explain it. What do you mean by this? Okay, let us take a determinant here. Let us take a determinant A equal to. Let us take a determinant A equal to. Okay, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minus 1. Okay, now here if we require to find the minor of, okay, if we require to find, let us find the minor of each and every element. What do we get? Minor of A11. Now what do you mean by this A11 here? A1, this one implies the first row and this implies the first column. That means first row, first column element is 1 here. Minor of A11 equal to, minor of 1 means here we have to delete this row and this column. What is the remaining part? We have to take the determinant of it. That means 5, 6, 0, minus 1. So what we get the value here? Minus 5, and here 0 into minus 0. The value will be minus 5. Is it clear? That is nothing but our minor of the value 1 here. That is nothing but A11, and it is denoted by M11. M11. Next, if suppose I require to find the minor of, okay, the minor of value 0 here, minor of value 0, that implies here 0 means which row it is? It is third row. And which column it is? The second column. That means here third row M32 we have. M3 means third row, first row, second row, third row, and 2 means what it implies? That is first, second column here. Now that is nothing but here minor of A, what we have? Again 32. Minor of A32 means what value we get here? Minor of A32, which is equal to, now we have to delete this row and this particular column. What we get here? That is a determinant of 1, 3, 4, 6, which is equal to, what we have here? 6 minus 12, the value equal to minus 6. Okay, dear friends, this is all about the minor of the given determinant. Okay, similarly we can find the minor of each and every, Aij. Aij implies any value here. Okay, any value we can find the minor of this particular determinant. Okay, now we shall move on with the next. What is that? Cofactor. What actually do you mean by cofactor? That we shall see. Now here we can observe that cofactor of an element Aij, that means any element Aij, is denoted and defined as Aij equal to minus 1 to the power of I plus j into Mij, where Mij is nothing but our minor. Whatever we have learned right now, that is minor into that sign over there. Okay, where Mij is nothing but the minor of Aij. That we shall see here. Very, very simple example it is. That we shall see. Now here, and it is denoted by here capital letter Aij. Aij here. Now let us find the minor of here 1 here. The minor of 1 value. Minor of 1, 1. Here the element 1. That is nothing but here minor, major of, what it is? Not major, it is cofactor. Cofactor of A11. Cofactor of A11. Or it is also defined as what it is? Minus 1 to the power of here first row, first column. That is 1 plus 1 into what we have here? Into we are having, that is Mij. Mij is nothing but here minor of M11. M11. That means what value we get here? That is nothing but minus 1 to the power of 2. Minor of 111 value is nothing but here minus 5. So ultimately what values you get? Minus 1 square is nothing but but positive itself, okay, and here into 5, that is minus 5 value we are getting. Okay, now we shall see this in a shortcut manner. What actually it is? So whatever the signs we are multiplying here, as per the definition, whatever the signs we are multiplying here, those are nothing but the pre-multiplied determinant sign value, that is plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, and plus, minus, plus sign. Okay, that is nothing but here minus 1. For this value it is positive, therefore we are getting minus 1 square, that is nothing but plus 1, into minus 5 we are having. Now similarly we shall take any other element. For example, cofactor of value 3 here. Cofactor of value 3 means here it is first row, and which column it is? First, second, third column. That means this value 3 is among the first row and the third column. First column, second column, third column. What we get? A13. A13 equal to, okay, now cofactor of A13, which is equal to, now see here, this 3 is having a sign, what it is? Positive sign into, next what we can do? We can just leaving this row and this particular column, deleting this row and column, what values we get? 4, 5, 7, 0, which is equal to what we have here, that is 4 into 0, 0, then 7 5s are 35, the value is minus 35. Okay, is it clear? That is minus 35. Now it is nothing but a shortcut to find out the value for the cofactor of the element, and it is denoted by Aij. Now let us take one more problem here. If suppose we require to find the cofactor of this particular value 6 here, that is A of this particular 6 value is among the second row, first row, second row, and which column it is? First, second, and third column, that is A23. And we can observe that the 6 value sign is negative here. We can observe that its sign is negative. Minus of, just we can take the minor, okay, minor of A23, that is nothing but here leaving this row and this particular column. What we get here? That is leaving this row and column, that is 1 2 1 2 7 0. What values we have? Minus into 1 into 0 we have 0. Okay, then 7 2s are 14, minus 14, the value will be plus 14. Minus into minus, it is plus. Okay dear friends, this is all about the minor as well as cofactor. These terms will be very important for you to find out the adjoint of the given matrix. And one more thing, that is a very important topic here. If element of a row, this is an important note, if element of a row or column are multiplied by with the cofactor of any other row, then their sum is 0. What do you mean by this particular note here? Let us observe here. That implies here if you are taking this particular value only, okay, it is A11, A12, A13. If I take A11, okay, if I am multiplying it by the cofactor multiplied with the cofactor of any other row or the same row itself, okay, what we have? A11 into A21 plus, next the second row, the second value A12, A22 plus A13 into A23. Here its sum value will be 0. That's what this particular case is. Okay, this particular value says. Okay dear friends, let us move on with the one more example related to this particular topic. Please pause the video to note it down. Okay, let us move on with the example that replicates our all the three definitions. One is how to find the minor, how to find the cofactor, and as well as the note what we had seen in the just now, that is if any row or column elements are multiplied by the cofactor of other row. Cofactor, see here, capital letter A means it is nothing but cofactor of A, cofactor of value 1. A32 is a cofactor of 5, and as well as A33 is cofactor of minus 7. Okay, if you are multiplying the element of first row as well as cofactor of the third row, the sum of the value will be 0. Okay, in this particular example all the three things we will understand here. Okay, fine. So first of all, what we require to find here? We require to find the, first of all, minor of each and every element. Minor is always denoted by capital letter M here. So first of all, minor of 1 1. Minor of 1 1 1 means what here? Minor of value 2 here. Minor of 2 means what we are doing here? Deleting this row and this particular column. Deleting this row and the column. What we get here? Deleting the row and column, what we get here? That is determinant of -3. Okay, deleting this row and column, the value will be 0 4 5 and a -7. Okay, deleting this row and column, the value will be 0 0 minus 5 4s are 20, the value will be -20. Similarly, simultaneously, I will find out the cofactor. Cofactor is denoted by capital letter. Capital letter here, that is A11. A11 is equal to what it is? Pre-multiply. Here the value 2 is pre-multiplied by plus sign. Plus of M11. M11 means it is -20. That is plus of M11. The value is -20. This is the value for cofactor of value 2 here. Okay, dear friends, next I will find out the minor of -3. That is nothing but here M12. Okay, first row, second column, minor of -3, which is equal to, now we have to delete this row and this particular column. What elements are remaining? 6 1 4 -7, which is equal to 6 1 4 -7, which is equal to what values we get now? Which is equal to 7 5 7 6 are 42, minus 42 minus 4, the value will be -6 -46. Similarly, we require to find the cofactor of it. Cofactor of means what it is? A of 1 2. A12 means what we have here? Here -3 is pre-multiplied by minus sign, minus of M12. M12 means what is the value here of M12? Minor of 12 is, that is minus of -46. The value will be +46. Okay, dear friends, now we shall find out the minor of the third value 5. Similarly, we will find out the all the minor of all the values here. Now M13 means we have to delete this row and column. What values we get? 6 0 1 5, that is nothing but 5 6 are 30 minus 1. Okay, which is minus 0 here, the value is 0. Similarly, A13 equal to plus sign, here it is pre-multiplied plus sign, plus minus plus minus plus minus and then plus minus plus sign. 5 value is base value is positive here, then minor of 13, which is equal to plus 30, the value is plus 30. Okay, now we shall find out the minor of 6 value. Minor of 6 means what is the value here? M21, which is equal to, you have to delete this row and column. What are the remaining values? -3. Okay, 5 5 -7, 5 5 and -7, the value will be, which is equal to 7 3s are 21, 21 minus 5 5s are 25, 7 3s are 21 minus of 5 5s are 25. Now what we get? 21 minus 25 value will be -4. Now we'll find out the cofactor of A21. Here this value is pre-multiplied by minus sign, minus of what we have? M21, which is equal to minus of -4, the value will be +4. The value will be +4. Okay, fine. The next values, that is M22, which is equal to, now leaving this row and column, for the 0th value 2 5 1 -7, 2 5 1 -7, the value will be, what is that value? 2 into 7 minus 14 minus 5, which is equal to -19, the value will be -19. Now what is the cofactor of it is? That is A22, which is equal to, here the sign of 0 will be positive, 0 of, okay, M22, which is equal to -19, which is equal to -19. Now similarly, M23, which is equal to determinant of, okay, minor of 4, leaving this row and column, that is 2 minus 3 1 5. What we get here? 5 2s are 10, minus into minus plus 3, that is 13, and hence here A23 equal to, and here this 4 sign is negative, -13, the value will be -13. Okay, fine. Next one is M31 equal to, M31 what we have? M31 means minor of 1 here. Leaving this row and column, what we get? 3 into 4, that is minus 12 minus 0. The value will be minus 12. And similarly here, cofactor of 31, which is equal to, here the sign of 1 is positive, plus of minus 12, the value will be minus 12. Similarly of M32. Okay, that means what it is? Minor of 5 here. Minor of 5 means what we get here? Leaving this row and column. What we get? Leaving this row and column. What values we are having? 2 into 4, 8. 8 minus 30. What we get here? 8 minus 30. 8 minus 30, the value will be minus 22. Minus 22. And hence here its cofactor. A32 value is, and it is pre-multiplied by minus sign. Minus of minus 22 value will be 22. Okay, dear friends, now we shall see about the last value, minor of A33. That is the minor of third row, third value, third column. That is, now I'll leave this row and this column. What is the remaining part determined? That is 2 into 0, 0. 0 minus of, here 6 3s are 18, minus 18. Here minus sign means plus 18 we have. The value will be 18. Now the cofactor of it, A33 equal to what we get here? That is, here the sign is positive again. Okay, plus of 18, the value will be 18 itself. Okay, these are all about the minors. Okay, these are all minors, and here A12, A13, A1, okay, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, these are all nothing but cofactors of the given determinant. Now we shall see about the very important note what we had seen just now. Okay, now what is that here? A11 into A, okay, that is, I will write down the LHS part, which is equal to an important proof that we are saying here, that is A11 into A31 plus of what we have, A12 into A32 plus of A13 into A33. Now what is the value here? We require to prove its value is equal to 0. Now what is the value for A11 here? A11 value, what is that A11 value? It is 2 here, that is 2. Then A31, what is the value for A31? Minus 12 plus A12, this is the value for A12, that is here minus 3, into A32, the value is plus 22, plus of A13 value is 5 here, 5 into A33 value will be 18. A33 value will be 18. Okay, you can just verify it. Okay, you can solve it and you will get the value as 0. Okay, dear friends. Okay, please pause the video to note it down. We shall see in the next topic regarding the adjoint of the given matrix.